To our YouTube channel. I'm Ft.Devanshi Sharma and you are watching Mitha Services official YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about something super interesting which you, I and literally every content writer has thought about once in their career. How do I earn as a content writer? Whenever I meet someone, the person's reaction to content writing generally is that, is content writing even a legit career? I mean, do you even earn as a content writer or is it just a hobby? So to answer that question, in this video, I'll talk about different ways in which you can earn as a content writer. Just a small disclaimer before I talk about earning and finances is that content writing is heavily based on skill development. So the more you focus on skills, you upskill yourself, the better opportunities you get in terms of finances. So let's see the different ways in which you can earn as a content writer. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is blogging. Now the first thing about blogging is that blogging is not a quick income thing in content writing. Bloggers who've been writing for months and years then start monetizing their blogs. Now you can monetize your blogs with the help of Google advertisements, you can monetize your blog with the help of writing for others, reviewing other work, by affiliate marketing and by collaborating with other brands and putting their content on your blog. But this happens when your blog has a good reach and a good subscriber ratio. So for this, you need to write your blog for a long time, and once that starts, getting viral, people start reading it, that is when you can actually monetize your blog. Blogging has proven to be one of the biggest source of income for bloggers in the States and all around India as well. So it has immense scope, but it needs a lot of patience. The second thing that I'm going to talk about is instructional designing. Very few people know that content writers can actually, opt for jobs of instructional designers as well. Instructional designing is in itself a completely different field, but you being a content writer have definitely an upper hand over others in that space. Instructional designing means creating courses or e-learning programs for multiple MNCs or multiple companies. This particular scope has a 4 to 5 lakh rupee per year as an average salary for employees. In freelancing, this could be 20,000 a month to 2 lakhs a month depending upon your skills as an instructional designer. A lot of big companies hire people to help them in writing courses. That can be one of your ways of earning well as a content writer. Third way of earning from content writing in India can be social media writing. Now, you and I both know that social media is one space that has grown immensely over these years, right? Especially the last 3. When it comes to social media management, a lot of startups, a lot of traditional businesses are looking for people who can manage their social media profiles end to end. This is one space that again has seen a lot of growth in the previous 2 to 3 years. I know a couple of my workshop mates who started with our workshops and are earning 50K a month by, getting the details about social media writing. It's simple and it's all about being consistent, disciplined and creative on social media. The fourth way of earning in content writing is via website content writing or product descriptions. When you go on Amazon and you scroll down and see the description of a particular product, that description is something that's written by a content writer. A lot of brands who are coming up on these e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Meesho, Myntra, Nykaa and Flipkart are looking for content writers who can write a description that is sales worthy, or a person can go and pick the product up from the site. So this is another way in which you can try out your hand on product description. The fifth way of earning as a content writer is of course writing articles, blogs and content per word for a particular client. per word charges for content writers in India depend from 0.5 rupees to 2 rupees a word when it comes to freelancing. A lot of people are doing really well writing per word, and I would suggest you try out your hand if you feel you have that in you in that particular niche. I hope that this video helped you in getting an idea about how you can build your career in content writing. I'm sure you have a lot of other questions as well. So put those questions in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We're working hard to build content for you. You just have to do one thing, go and press the subscribe button. Thank you and keep writing.